Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this button, Edit Contact, and pick the camera icon. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Now let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on got it. And as you can see, from this step we can change the position of the photo. We can also resize this highlighted square because this area is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. We can also zoom in or out the photo just by pinching it. So it's up to you how you want to set it. We can rotate the picture. It's really up to you. Just set it like you want to. And after that, after making sure that you like the final result, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it appeared in the circle, so it is very important. Remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been applied to the contact. This is how it looks like. After getting back, you will be also able to see it on the contact list and, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So basically, that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.